Now, in SST subject, we will start lesson number 2, Planet Earth. In this lesson, we will read about the shape of the Earth, continents and ocean, studying the Earth through globes and maps, landform on the Earth. Okay. As you can see here, the 8th planet. We already discussed the 8th planet in our previous chapter. Okay. So we will here start the discussion about the our planet Earth. Only we will discuss about all the matters and things about the Earth. Here you have a one question: which planet is your favorite and why? So you have to write here your favorite planet name and why this planet is the favorite for you. So you have to write the answer over here. Here we will discuss about the Earth, a unique planet. Why Earth is the unique planet? There are many reasons behind that the Earth is a unique planet. First of all, our total Earth has water of a 3 parts and land is a 1 part. So it has a water for us, animal and plant to survive. Water is very essential for to live and survive. And here and animals and plant also need water to survive. Okay, and it has air for us. You already know that the earth has a lots of air. It's called atmosphere, and it is also a very life supporting gases like carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen. Okay, so animal and plant to breathe. Earth has a air, so animal and plant to breathe. Air is very essential for to breathe and to live and to survive. Okay, it receives the right amount of heat and light from the sun to support all form of life. Already we learned that this Earth is the third planet from in the solar system, and it is the third planet. So we can easily get the heat and light of the sun. Even sun help life to exist on earth. Without the sun's heat and light, the earth would be cold and lifeless. It would be lifeless because living things need reasonable temperature to live. Without sunlight, plant cannot grow, so there will be no food. Since air, water and sunlight all are present in our planet in just the right amount, it is unique and different from the other planet in the solar system. आप जानते ही हो कि सनलाइट और ना हो तो प्लांट भी ब्रीथ ले सकता नहीं कर सकता नहीं है. इवन वो ब्रीथ नहीं कर सके, वो नहीं सर्वाइव कर सकता, तो हम प्लांट से फूड नहीं ले सकेंगे. हमें फूड नहीं मिलेगा तो हम भी सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकेंगे. और जो भी हीट और लाइट मिलती है वो हमें राइट अमाउंट में मिलती है. जितनी ज़रूरत है उतनी ज़रूरत में ही हमें मिलती है. ओके, लेट अस नाउ लर्न मोर अबाउट अवर वंडरफुल प्लानट. हम आगे उसके बारे में और ज़्यादा लर्न करने वाले हैं. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द शेप ऑफ द अर्थ. ओके, द शेप ऑफ अवर प्लानट इज लाइक एन ऑरेंज, एज यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट. बट इन एशियन डेज it was believed that the earth was flat. It was in around 15th century that was proved that the earth was round, and then people come to know the earth was not flat but it is in shape of like an orange, like an round, like an orange. Okay, okay. It is slightly flat at the top and bottom with a bulge in the middle. It is flat from the top and bottom. Okay, the shape of the earth is like an orange, you already know, and the sun heat some parts of the earth more than other. This give rise to the different climate found on earth. The hottest one are around the equator and the coldest are the north and south pole, which are flat portion at the top and bottom of the earth. Okay, and northernmost point is called the North Pole and southernmost point is called the South Pole. Now move ahead. Our another topic is continents and oceans. What is the continents and ocean? Our earth is covered with about 3 part of water and the remaining 1 part is covered by land. जो हमारी पूरी अर्थ है इसमें 3 पार्ट में ओशंस है, पानी है, और 1 पार्ट में क्या है, लैंड है. ओके. दी लार्ज एरिया ऑफ लैंड ऑन अर्थ आर कॉल्ड दी कॉन्टिनेंट्स. जो हमारा 1 पार्ट है लैंड उसको हम कॉन्टिनेंट्स बोलते हैं, और जो हमारा 3 पार्ट्स में वाटर है उसको हम बोलते हैं ओशंस. एंड वेरी लार्ज एरिया ऑफ वाटर ऑन अर्थ आर कॉल्ड दी ओशंस. ओके. नाउ डिस्कस अबाउट द कॉन्टिनेंट्स. देयर आर 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स ऑन द अर्थ. देयर लैंड एरिया ऑफ द अर्थ हैज़ डिवाइडेड इनटू continents. There are 7 continents. How many? 7 continents in the world. There are Asia. There are Asia first, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica are the 7 continents on the earth. Okay. Among them, Asia is the largest continent in the world, and Australia is the smallest continent in the world. Even then, Australia is also called the island. Because why island? Island means the land or the part which covered from the water from the all sides. So Australia is also covered with the water from the all sides. So Australia is the island continent among the all continents. Okay. Or Australia is the smallest continent in the world in terms of size के according देखें तो Asia is the biggest continent and the Australia is the smallest continent. Okay. Now there are 4 parts of the earth's surface are covered with water and only 1 part is covered with land. As you know, we will already discuss the 4 part. Earth has a 4 part and 3 part means के 75% is water and only 1 part has a land. As a result, the earth looks blue from space. Hence it is also known as the blue part. आप स्पेस से देखो ऊपर से तो आपको हमारा अर्थ है वो ब्लू दिखेगा क्योंकि 75% क्या है, वाटर. सो हम उसके ब्लू प्लैनेट के नाम से भी जानते हैं. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द ओशन. देयर आर 5 ओशंस. दीज आर द पैसिफिक ओशंस, Atlantic oceans, Indian Ocean, Southern Oceans and Arctic Ocean. Okay. Among the 5 oceans, the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. जो Pacific Ocean से वो largest ocean से 5 ocean में से. Okay. Even the water are so much in the earth, but we cannot drink the ocean's water. Why we cannot drink? Because the water of the ocean is too salty. वो बहुत salty इसलिए हम उसका पानी पी नहीं सकते. ओके. नाउ हाउ डू वी स्टडी कॉन्टिनेंट्स एंड ओशन. हमें कॉन्टिनेंट्स और ओशन के बारे में स्टडी करनी है तो किसके हेल्प से करेंगे. ओके. We cannot see all parts of the earth from one place because it is very large. हमें एक ही प्लेस से पूरा अर्थ को देखना है तो नहीं देख सकते. Why? Because it is very large. So we can see the earth is great detail with the help of globes and map. लेकिन हम ग्लोब और मैप्स के हेल्प से हम पूरे अर्थ के बारे में स्टडी भी कर सकते हैं और उसको देख भी सकते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट इज़ ग्लोब. ग्लोब हम इसको बोलते हैं. ये हमारा क्या है, ग्लोब है. ओके. ग्लोब इज़ ए वेरी स्मॉल मॉडल. वो क्या है, अर्थ का एग्जैक्ट स्मॉल मॉडल बनाया है अर्थ का. विद द हेल्प ऑफ ग्लोब वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द कॉन्टिनेंट्स, ओशन, कंट्रीज, all on there. All are marked on the globe. But globe is a very small model, so we cannot study the detail about the all continents, ocean and the countries. So it is very limited information given by the globe, so we use the map. Map is a flat drawing of the surface. Map is a small pace, so we can easily carry whenever we go. We use map while traveling, even we use map in the school also, and we also use the map by hanging on the wall also. Okay, so a globe is a very small model of the earth, and a map is a flat drawing of the surface of the earth. Okay.